Jesse, the Dinosaur King fans, I am back with another video about Jurassic World Alive Toolbox or Paleo.gg. And I did promise to make a part 2. As you can see, you don't see the number 25 because I made 5 more that needed a buff. So let's get straight into it and enjoy the video. Amargacephalus. I changed its health, damage, and including its armor and chance of landing a crit entirely. Superiority strike changes. No, sorry. Superiority strike is replaced by devouring resilience strike. Group slowing or whatever it is. Group decelerating impact is replaced by alert devouring impact. And then instant invincibility taunt is replaced by lesser emergency heal, I think. And then slowing impact has been replaced by devouring takedown. Still keeps the medium counterattack. And then I give it an escape move of total immunity escape. Resistances are down here. I did change its class from resilient to fierce resilient. Overall, it really did need a buff, so I do give it a 10 out of 10. The next dinosaur, please. Or animal. Alright. Emphasizing being another common needed a change. I did change its damage over 400 right there. Group cleansing strike has been replaced by heavy strike, and then fierce impact has been replaced by gnawing rampage. It now has a counter attack of critical counter strike. Then it has a swap and devour strike. Still keeps its no escape move. Resistances are down here. Overall, I do give this a 6 out of 10. Now the next one, if I may. Deinonychus really did need a change because it had, I think, 1100 attack or 1200 attack, and its health was not that too good, so I did increase it. So evasive strike becomes offensive stance, and then high pounce becomes fierce devouring rampage. It gets a counterattack of distracting counterattack. It now has swap it, afflict, and dodge. I just added that. And then it has pesky alert. Resistances are down here. I did change its class from cunning to cunning fierce. I do give this a 9 out of 10. And I believe there's some more. Oh yeah, sorry if I missed it. So let's make the issue or spoken about. Artidus really did need a change, so I did change its attack. It's increased it. Alright, it does keep its heavy strike. Alert decelerating impact becomes alert impact. And then defensive edge becomes devouring wounding distraction. It now has a counter attack of lowering counter strike. And then it has an unescape breaking impact. Resistances are down here. Overall, I do give this a 5.5 out of 10. Next up, we've got not Dilophosaurus, sorry about that. We got Dimetrodon. Dimetrodon's moveset has been changed completely. Defense Shattering Strike has been replaced by Definite Strike. Critical Impact. No. Defense Shattering Impact has been replaced by Devouring Wounding Distraction. And then Critical Impact has been replaced by Devouring Wound. Its counterattack it has been added by me, Afflicting Counter Strike. And then it has Fierce Rampage on escape. Resistances are down here. Overall, I did change its class from Fierce to Cunning Fierce. I do give this a 10 out of 10. since I did make 30 of them, I need to find the other one. If I did make the other one, I don't know. Hold on. Let me count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Yeah. So, anyways, that's it, I believe. No. It's not the end yet. Because I got some views, but not too much likes, nor I didn't get subscribers for my last 2 videos. So, can we please hit that like button if you like it and subscribe? You don't have to subscribe if you don't want to, but it would be nice if you did. And if you do want to see how I did it, here's a tutorial of how you can buff your creatures. You go to add. This might take you a while if you're using mobile or a laptop or whatever it is. You're gonna think, how do I do this? No, don't do that. Now you're gonna want to load a creature. For those who don't know how to use it, then this will load up here. The dinosaur I want to use is an Dinosaurs. And what I want to do, if you want to change its rarity, go ahead. No, not rarity. You can change its class if you want to, but for me, I'm gonna keep it at. No, I'm gonna change it. No. I'm gonna just keep it at resilient. If you want it to increase in damage, just change it up a little bit. And then you can do this. Then that. Now, if you do want to change it, go ahead, be my guest. But I'm just gonna change it anyways. Hold on. If you do want to change the ability you do not like, all of this is right here. For me, I'm gonna go with an ability that helps at least. I'm gonna choose hold on. I'm gonna choose Defensive Rampage because I love the ability so much. No, not definite. There we go. Then on escape, if you do want to choose it, go ahead. But for me, I'm gonna choose this. And then, honestly, I'm gonna choose this. You go to preview and see what changes you like before you change it. And then finally, you can sign your name up here where it says offer underneath, well, on top of image width. You can increase how wide the image can be. Then here's your dinosaur. If all selections are final, you can choose save and generate image. And then once that's done, this does take a little while, so be patient. This is a tutorial on how to do it. If it won't budge, try again. But if it does budge, then it's good. It might take a good while. Mine's just lagging right now because I pressed the shape. Oh, okay. I didn't press it all the way, I think. I don't know. Comment if you saw me press it. Why do I keep forgetting to charge my phone? I gotta charge it, like I said, for the last video. You know what? Let me try again. I don't know if this wants to be acting stupid or if it just wants to be difficult for me. I don't know what to say. Ah, sorry for what's going on right now. Hold on. I don't know what was wrong here. It did not act like that. Let's save and generate. Hold on. This might take a couple minutes. Come on. Wow. I did not I did not think that it wants to be difficult with me. Hold on, let me refresh it if I can. I think that might fix the issue. I want to see if it actually did generate. Sure, I'll just install it. There. It should stop bothering me. Okay, yeah, it says 31. Anyway, let me give you this review. In Dinosaurs, I did change the speed, increase damage, and then it keeps disperse superior vulnerability. The ability, I forgot what it's called, has been replaced by Defensive Rampage. Instant taunting bulwark remains the same. It keeps counter vulnerability. I now gave it a swap in of shielded alert stun, and then gave it an on escape of blessing on escape. And that's it. If you would like a part 3, please comment down below. I may not be able to check my comments, but if I do receive a comment about it, I don't know what you might be saying. It's because I can't access my comments with restricted mode on it, and I can't disable restricted mode because, parental controls. And I don't know they can be positive or negative just as you can correct me in any way. I don't care. Just as long you don't talk trash about my like for dinosaurs. Anyways, have a roar-tastic day. This is Jesse the Dinosaur King signing out.